Hi, my name is Roderick Fuchs, and I am honored to be included in the 2026 International Airbrush Days event in Hamburg, Germany this May. For those who may not be familiar with me, I have been a commissioned artist for almost 28 years, working professionally in both the United States and now in Canada as a custom painter. I'm also a concept artist, licensed designer, and illustrator with a focus mainly in the fantasy and horror genres. I take pride in always producing original artwork, and my approach is often to develop paintings and designs from a concept sketch. My paintings usually do start and end with an airbrush, however I am far from a purist, and I typically incorporate whatever tools, applications, or media I think will best accomplish my goal. What comes from this is often a style and personality that is individual to the work that I've created. I'm thrilled to have this opportunity and will be displaying this approach in my demonstrations and going further in depth and detail in the workshops at the event. I strongly encourage you to give this seminar a shot if you're in any way able to attend. The instructor list is a jaw-dropping array of internationally recognized and applauded artists, truly some of the best, and it is a humbling list to be among. There will be a stunning array of talent on display and a forum to learn from, communicate, and freely share within. The facilities are impeccable, and the organizers go out of their way to take care of every need you may have. And the sponsors make sure all the products and services are top of the line. And oh my God, is it a lot of fun. I sure hope I get a chance to see you there.